Hello friends, this video is meant for digital marketing for people who are beginners, not advanced level. So those people who don't have much knowledge about this digital marketing, those who want to enter this field, they have a lot of confusion, and I am also one of you. But one step ahead, because I have been searching on this topic for so many months. So I learned few points and I will share with you, which will definitely help you save a lot of money and time. This video is for people who are already working and they want to shift into the digital marketing field, or for those like students or anyone. There is no age limit, age barrier to enter this field, but that is one of the greatest benefit. Anyone who are interested to learn, there is no age barrier, anyone can enter into this field. Housewives, students, already working people who want to scale their business, want to see some growth in their already existing job, so they can apply these learnings into their respective field and they can improve their, or they can enter into this digital marketing field. Definitely digital marketing is going to have a lot of growth in the coming future because of people realizing the value of digitalization of information, because of availability of internet in most parts of the country, most parts of the world. Internet is better available. So many tools are there compared to few years back. There are many talented people, they are not having good opportunities. They're just crumbling into medicine, engineering, everything. Very few fields. So this is one of the better way to definitely give a try. Compared to the amount of money and time we are spending in our regular stream of education, lakhs and lakhs of rupees, years and years of time, hours and hours of education. Definitely, if you invest that same amount here, time and money, you will see a lot of growth. That's what I understood. Definitely, there is no guarantee in our current education system that after spending so many years of education, you will definitely have a good career for yourself to sustain. And we are seeing this lockdown corona time, so many people are suffering, struggling what to do, teachers and so many small scale companies and small job holders, small business people. So definitely they should give a try here, because for initial stages you don't need much money compared to our education system. That's definitely you have to understand this. And you may waste some money in finding the right kind of training or information, which I did. I spent so much of money and time searching a lot of things, learning from so many people. So you just try to follow my social media channels, which I'll mention in my description. So I'll share my experiences and my thoughts so that it will save you money and time, definitely, because I already did that. You don't need to invent the wheel again. You have to learn from others, other people mistakes, other people experiences. What are the resources available for you in the internet, how to find them. So all these things I'll be sharing in my blog, in my YouTube or other channels. You can just frequently visit my social media channels and get the benefit of them. One more important thing is, in whatever career you are, even in digital marketing or in any other career or profession, if you don't grow your mindset, your skill set, personality as a person, if you don't grow, definitely you will not be successful or be happy. You will not reach the goals you want, you desire, because your personality only decides your success. You cannot outgrow yourself. So wherever you are in your personal life, definitely whatever you are doing, regularly you have to keep learning yourself, improving yourself, your personality. So what do I mean by that means you have to improve your communication skills, public speaking skills, your presentability, your dress code, your common sense, how to interact with the people, how to deal with yourself. You have to keep learning, improving yourself. Definitely, you may not see the result initially, but you will see. I have seen the same with so many successful people, and that's what I am sharing with you. I have attended many public speaking, communication skill webinars, seminars. I am undergoing so many trainings, paid trainings, courses. I am into some groups, WhatsApp groups, masterminds. So I've been working on myself, learning books, so many books. So definitely they will help you. That is one part. And coming to digital marketing, so what do you mean by digital marketing? You might be hearing about this for a long time. So it's a part of advertisement through digital world. So digital through, like, it's not physical, it's digital through internet, mobile, all these resources. Your YouTube, WhatsApp, social media, Facebook, Instagram, all this comes under digital world. So there are many benefits compared to other traditional marketing. So this is also a marketing, but it is through digitalization world, through digital world. So how is it beneficial compared to traditional marketing? So you should understand that marketing is not just selling a pen or book or paper. You don't underestimate it. It's very great field which we are lacking behind in Asian countries. So marketing is a great field. Definitely, a lot of potential is there, and you can also grow a lot if you understand the basic concepts. No need of paying a lot of money. So if you have access to resources, definitely you can go. But there is a lot of information available. First, you need to upgrade yourself before going for anything paid. You have to learn that. So I'll be sharing some of those points frequently on my videos and all my social medias. Links will be there in the description. You just keep on visiting my platforms. So in traditional marketing, I think video is becoming a bit longer, but it definitely will get useful information to understand the whole concepts. Because if you can't spend this much of small amount of time also, it's not worth for you to enter the field, or you will not be successful in any field. I am giving information out of spending a lot of time and money over a period of so many months and years. The basic gist I am giving. So you definitely, this video will give you good information. You watch the complete video. Okay. So in traditional marketing, we are targeting customers of any age group, any location, religion, any profession, any language. So we don't know whom we are targeting, like a newspaper or TV ad, movie ad, anything, pamphlet. So we don't know whom we are targeting, what is the result, how much you are spending, what is the ROI, return of investment. You'll be coming across so many basic terms, terminology, which you have to get accustomed to it. Like a mechanic will have his own terminology, car mechanic will have his own terminology, a business will have its own terminology. Like that, here also there will be some terminology in marketing and field. So you just understand the basic terms. Only some basics only I will touch in this video. ROI, return of investment. So how much you are spending, how much you get the result. means how much business you are getting. How much business means how much turnover, how much profit, right? So compared to traditional marketing, you will have better ROI in your spending of digital field, digital marketing, right? So that's why it is becoming more needed and more efficient. So many companies are entering into this field. There is a lot of demand for people who can handle these things, who understand these things, basics of digital marketing. Okay, in digital marketing you can target the right customer. That is very important. See, if you are thirsty, if I give you a glass of water, you are in a traveling mode, and if I am able to get you, like you are hungry, I am able to sell you some food easily, right? Or you are having some bike or car repair. So if I am providing uh, at the doorstep service, will definitely accept. So like that, finding the right kind of person who is in the need, exact need, that is very easy in digital marketing. So easy in the sense, once you learn the tools and techniques. So compared to traditional marketing, you are spending less amount of time finding the right kind of customer. So it is easy for you to sell your product or service. Marketing means like selling a product or service. Both come under marketing. So there are terms like B2B, business to business, like big companies selling for uh, like dealers, wholesalers. That is called B2B. B2C means business to customer. B2B means business to business. B2C means business to customer. Like directly you are targeting, like buy a chocolate, buy a biscuit packet. You are directly targeting the customer here. So these are like these products will have uh, low value products compared to high value products. So that strategy, the marketing strategy varies based on the your product or service. Is it B2B or B2C, like that? So if the high value product like a bench car, you cannot just give in a paper ad and the customer will pay you money and buy. He will come, he will check the product, check the car, speak with you. You have to have manpower. You can explain the benefits compared to other products, how it is beneficial. So what are the specialities of the car? You will test drive, then he will buy, right? So that is the strategy. Strategy varies based on the product, in which segment you are. You should be able to understand which market you are targeting, so you will get the right kind of customers. So that is why you should know B2B, B2C, etc. And what channels, through what channels you can target your customer. Like business people mostly, like there are Facebook platform, Instagram, YouTube, and images, infographics means there will be information and small images, easy to explain. And LinkedIn platform, which is like for most of the serious people will be there. They don't like you cannot target them just by showing visuals. Should find the real value of the product or service. So like that, if it is like a beauty product, you need Instagram. General product, you can go for Facebook. And Facebook is generally cost effective and reach is more. Like there are 2 to 3 billion people on Facebook. So compared to other channels, marketing on Facebook will be easy. So that's why people prefer to market on Facebook also. They will get more returns compared to the cost on other platforms. So based on your comfortness, you can choose which platform you want to. First, you should have basic knowledge of all the platforms. So you should be able to go through some training, basic training. There are people charging like 5,000 rupees to 2,000 rupees to 2 lakhs for the course. Based on your capability, you can go through. Before that, you just review how about who is the best institute giving you best returns of your investment of time and money. Okay, I'll make a blog or related information, another topic in detail. So first you just have a basic idea. So that's in brief about digital marketing. So once you are able to find the right customer for a business, if you are able to get business for the company or a small one or any type of business, if you learn how to get the customers, so that's what you will be paid. So as you grow, like you will be influencer, you will have a tribe of your own people, so who know like you are giving a lot of value, if they align with your thoughts. So as you reach grows, followers grows, you will be called as an influencer, and you should be able to give more knowledge. For that, you should be able to learn, keep on learning yourself. So it's like that. So once you are able to give good leads, good value customers, you will be able to charge good amount of money, right? So that's how you will earn money in the digital marketing field. So what are the basics if you want to enter digital marketing field is you should have a domain and hosting. It's like you have a piece of land, and in that you have a house. You have house number, right? Your house number, current number, all these things. So it is like domain and hosting. Similarly, in the internet space, it's like your own real estate. So first you should have those things, basic things. There will be so many plans for that, so many companies are offering. You should find which one is good, what are the benefits. I'll make a separate video for that in detail. So just remember that for now. That is a fundamental basic thing. You should have your own presence. You cannot depend on the social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram. You can use those platforms to get the customers onto your personal real estate. This is very important point you remember. This is one of the biggest point, eye opener I learned. You should have own platform, location where you can attract your people. So once if anyone want to reach you, there should be some basic contact information or the piece of website or something, blog, for the people to find out about you, right? So this is very important. So next step is you'll be able to learn how to create blogs. One of the basic things, like there are so many tutorials for that. So WordPress is very useful for beginners, and WordPress themes, plugins, there are some terminology how to handle that. We have to go through that in detail. We'll look into that in another video. Just remember, WordPress is used by like 1/3 of the people on the internet, 1/3 of the people. So you should be able to learn WordPress. So compared to our education, amount and time and money we are investing, these also need to spend time and money, but comparatively easier. Now we have a lot of resources to learn. Okay, so you have to learn WordPress. So after getting your domain and hosting, you created your WordPress blog. You have to keep on posting content, information. What is content means? Information. What is beneficial? So how can you like? You will come across a word niche, niche. So many people are confused about this. Which niche you have to select? Niche means what is your area of specialization. So there is some information which you have learned through your personal experience, which only you know. You are better than other people. There may be people who know better than you or less than you, but at that particular stage, you know some information better than many others. So that can be your niche. So don't fix particular niche. Try to first start with one niche, keep on working, learn all these tools and techniques of digital marketing. As you grow, as you go on, you may be successful in your niche, or you'll find that you are better in particular another niche which you yourself don't know at the initial stages. So don't get worried. Try to find, based on your experience, your interest, your passion, in which field you can continuously generate some YouTube videos or content. You can write some blogs. So you have to learn and you have to generate some information and put on your platforms. So that is called a niche. For that you need to have passion for that. Your environment should support you. You'll be able to learn new things. So don't get confused about that niche. Try to keep on working. You can work on multiple niches going forward. There are different ways. Some people produce like interviews with other content developers, their experiences. I've seen some YouTube channels like that, right? So don't get confused. So that is one basic thing about niche. So next you need to keep on producing consistently the content on your digital platforms. Relevant information, useful information for the people who want to follow you. Should be able to give good information on that particular field. Okay, so that is called good content. Content is always very important. Content, copywriting, these are words you will get. How to attract the good customers, how to give value information for the people, for your customers. So that is content related information. And you should be able to like SEO, search engine optimization, SEO, on page SEO, off page SEO. Once you are able to generate at least 100 blogs, like you can write a blog weekly once or 15 days or a daily, based on your capability or for the people, for the business you are working for, business or service, product or service, like, okay. So you should be able to consistently generate some information. So once you have generated enough information like videos or blogs, something, so you can start working like SEO optimization, Google Analytics, Google Console. So these are all words you will come across. So off-page SEO, on-page SEO, your content, the blog or channel, it start appearing in the Google search. So where people able to reach out to your platforms. So as you grow, as you provide good content, you can start uh, affiliate marketing. Like you may have your own business or a product or service where you can market that. Like you are a teacher, you are a musician, or you have book, or if you have a business, cloth business or some other electronic products, something. So you can market those product, links provided. You can contact, you can ask the customers to contact you, or else you can take some other person's products and you can market and you can get a percentage commission. So this is called affiliate marketing. So like worldwide, if you want to go for like ClickBank, JBJu, so many other things are there. So once you can get registered, you can get some links. You have to learn all these things. We'll discuss later in other videos. So you can be an affiliate marketer. You can apply those links in your blogs or YouTube channels. You can give in the description like I am doing. So that's how you get a commission. So that is affiliate marketing. Once you start generating regular consistent content. If you want to get a job, you can get a job in a particular company. Like people need SEO optimization. They will have a website. They will have like e-commerce website or some other website. E-commerce means they are selling some products. That is called e-commerce. Okay, and you are able to rank their website. There will be some parameters how to rank a particular website on top. That person types in Google, so you'll find the results. So most of the people search the first page or second page, right? So how to rank your website in the the top first page. So that is called SEO. There are so many factors like how much time it's taking, loading speed, how is the UX, UI, UX, user experience, that is called. Okay. So these are things, so many things. So you can get a job creating backlinks, metadata, what you see when you are searching in the internet, what the basic information about your product visible, that's called metadata. Well, these are things you have to keep learning. You may get a job also if you want. You can become a freelancer afterwards. You get enough experience, and you can work with the companies. You can develop a consultancy. You are able to get more and more clients. You are able to get results, good results, like leads, getting proper leads. There are many companies, products and service, they want good leads. It's like finding the right customer for your product or service. You're spending the money, but it should not go waste, right? You should reach the right customer who is looking for it, so that customer is happy and the seller is happy. So your job is to find the good leads. So that is also like a job. You can find a job or you can do it for yourself if you have your own business or product or service. In leads part, you come across like hot leads, warm leads, cold leads, like that. Terms, yeah, some basic terms you will come across. A cold leads means they don't know about their product, they don't know about their problem. So you will make them aware of the problem they are having, or even like your product or service will help them uh, have better experience or save them some money or time. So like that you will make them aware, then they will become warm customers, warm leads. So they know the pain point, they know there is a problem, but they don't know solution. So now you are giving them a solution through your product or service, then they will buy your product. So that's how it is. So that is called a lead magnet. This one word you will come across, lead magnet. Like uh, you will provide a landing page where there will be basic information, what is the problem, what they will have better experience or better health, or have better saving in terms of saving time or money if they use the product, and what is the offer you are giving for them. So this is called landing page. That's how you can sell a product to the customer, right kind of customer. So if you want to scale up your business fast, you have a product, service, but you need sales, right? Without that you cannot get a profit. So for that comes the ads part, advertising, reaching more number of people, right kind of customers. How? Through Facebook ads, Google ads, Instagram ads. So this is like advertising in the digital field. So when you learn these things, there are so many techniques and terminology tools for every part. We'll discuss in different videos separately. You can find out all those things in my channels. I'll mention in the description. So just keep following. I'll be updating as in what kind of information I learned. I'll be sharing. So through once you are able to generate Facebook ads, all these things, and get the right kind of customers to the business, whether it is a small business in the local area, how to target the customers in that surrounding area like 5 to 10 kilometers. You have small shop, and you need only nearby people come to that particular business, right? Any bakery or like any garment shop, anything. So you should be able to target 5 to 10 kilometers surrounding area. How to do that? How to place ads? which platform you have to place ads. And you are a big company or a SME, small and medium enterprise, or a global company, how to get the right kind of people, what tools, which ads you have to, platforms you have to use. So these are like techniques are there, you have to understand that. Then you'll become a good marketer, and you'll able to command a lot of money, because you are giving the customer business person lot of business, he is getting so much of profit, so out of that he'll give you a share. So this how to charge also, it's different. There are different strategies based on the budget, how to, like for small business how much, for big business how much. We'll be learning all these things in detail. So you should be able to, like, email marketing is one of the big good concept, important concept. How to, like, we should not depend on the uh, social media. So Instagram, Facebook, these keep on changing. Previously there is Orkut, previous to Google there is Yahoo, right? So these platforms keep on changing. You cannot depend on them. You should have your own real estate, like domain and hosting and domain. Okay, so that you keep in mind for yourself, and from that you have to start collecting email IDs of your customers, so that you can contact them. They can contact you for future product and services for them, beneficial for them. Okay, so this is one of the things, you have to store them, how to reach them. That is called email marketing. That is another concept, how to do that, all those things we'll be sharing in other videos. So to learn digital marketing, it is always good to have desktop or laptop. Okay, no need of high end basic information. Just not very old, not very high end, medium is okay. You can buy a good first hand or second hand. So if this second hand, or like you find some person who is good at doing some service, if there is any problem or issue, you can, like, find some try on the internet. So on mobile you can do, but you cannot always. If you want to make a career, means mobile is not just sufficient to learn all these concepts. So definitely try with the desktop or laptop. Desktop also you are able to get with small amount nowadays. So that's it for this video, guys. So if you are able to watch up to now, definitely I am sure you have earned a lot of information, saved a lot of time and money. So if you are serious about digital marketing, you just keep on following my social media channels. So definitely there will be a lot of useful information. And that's it for this video. Thank you.